guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to fix can't open GCash app. So let's get started. So if you are facing the problem with opening your GCash app and you want to fix it, so to fix that problem, what you can do is just simply head over to your GCash app and then tap and hold on your GCash application. Then you will find this eye icon, which is app info. Just tap on it, and after tapping on that, just simply tap on storage and cache, and then tap on clear cache and clear storage. And after clearing your cache and your storage, now what you have to do is just simply come back to your home screen. And after coming back to your home screen, now you just have to check if you have an update in your GCash. So just open up your Play Store. After opening up your Play Store, now in search bar you can search for GCash. After searching for that, now you will find this application. What you can do is just simply check if you have an update. So if you do have an update, what you can do is just simply update your GCash application, and that should fix your problem. But even that doesn't fix your problem, then what you have to do is, it might be the problem in your device. So what you have to do is just simply turn off your developer mode. So if your developer mode is turned on, then you can't access your GCash application. So what you can do is just simply turn it off. So what you can do is just simply open up your settings. After opening up your settings, now in search bar you can search for developer options. After searching for developer options, you should find that option, which is developer options. Now what you have to do is just simply turn it off. And after turning off your developer options, you should fix your problem. So that's it guys, this is how to fix can't open GCash app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.